Hey guys, welcome back to App IQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to locate creators' search insights. Now this is useful for creators who are trying to make it viral on this platform. TikTok truly caters to that, so they've made it super easy to help creators to stick a landing at becoming viral on TikTok. So we're going to click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, and in the search bar you're going to type in creators' search insights. So I'm going to tap on Creator Search Insights. Then below you'll see Creator Search Insights. So see what TikTok users are searching for and get inspired to create. This is really going to help you guys in whatever niche you're in. So we're going to tap on View, and this opens up your Creator Search Insights. Now, there's a lot of things to go through here. You can view the analytics, but below we have suggested topics that you can cycle through. There's also stuff that are trending. These are obviously topics that you can cycle through if they're in your niche. And for photo posts, you can see the type of content that are really sticking it on the platform. But going back to suggested, this is showing everything from a wider scope. You can tap on content gap. This narrows it down some more. You can search by followers, and there's so many ways to search. You can even tap on the filter icon, and this opens up category in food, fashion, gaming, science, etc. And there are languages as well. It helps you whichever language you speak, and you can either reset or apply, whatever that you might got going on the app. So like I said, guys, if you're on the platform and you're trying to grow, the Creator Search Insights is a brilliant way to grow your page at becoming viral. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.